how to add an end screen on YouTube videos. I'll show you how to check which end screens work best for you and the 2 ways in which you can add your end screen templates. So let's get started. To get more clicks and views, you should be adding an end screen to the end of every single one of your videos, and there are 2 ways to do that. The first way I'm going to show you how to add an end screen on your YouTube video is during the video upload process. You're going to click on the second tab, Video Elements, and then click on Add to add an end screen. You can only add an end screen to the last 20 seconds of your video. So by default it will show you all of these templates that are already pre-made, and you can choose any one of these. Now when you do pick one of these templates, you can still customize it to what you want it to look like. And to do that, just simply click on the element and you'll get some options of what you want to do. So right now it's showing as best for viewer, but I can change this to something else. If I click on the playlist element, click on the pencil icon and you can choose which playlist you want to include. If you want to add another element, then just click on the plus element sign at the top here and choose which one you want to include. Let's click on video, and then it'll ask me whether most recent or if I want to choose a specific video. So let's choose a specific one, and I can choose the one that I think my viewers will want to watch. Once you're all done, you can click on save. And before we go on, I do want to remind you guys to please give this video a like if you found it useful, and also drop me a comment below because I do respond to every single comment. So the second way you can do this is if you forget to do it during the upload process, or if you want to edit your end screens later on, click on your videos and choose the video you want to edit, and on the right hand side you'll see end screen. Click on the pencil icon. It will bring up your end screens, and here you can add or edit your elements just like I showed you during the first method. You can also delete any of the elements if you didn't want to use them. And again, you can add any different elements again, just like I showed you earlier. And the other thing that I like to do is I don't use the full 20 seconds. I actually make it 10 seconds only, because I like to keep my video going as long as I can, just to keep my viewers watching towards the end. So this was a tip that I learned from watching video creators, that don't give any indication to your viewers that your video is about to come to an end until you are actually in the last few seconds of the end of your video, because hopefully this should keep your viewers watching until the end, that they can actually reach your end screens and click on your end screens. You can also click and drag your elements around and choose where you want to place them. Once you're all done, click on save. Now if you wanted to add an image to the background of your elements, all you need to do is just go to Google, search for background image, click on tools and label for reuse, and you can find a whole bunch of images that you can just download and insert it into the end of your video for you to place your end screen elements on. Now it's always a good idea to check which type of element is working for you that your viewers are actually clicking on. So to do that, you'll go into your channel analytics, click on engagement, and towards the bottom right you'll see top end screen element types. Click on see more. And here you'll be able to see how many clicks you're getting based on what elements you're using. So I tend to use the video, specific video a lot, and playlist. And very recently I started using the most recent upload. So you can see that I've only just started using it. I've only shown it 9 times, but nobody's clicked on it, because I find that maybe the most recent video isn't tailored to what the viewer actually wants to watch. So I think when I try to add a specific video, I add the specific video based on what my video is about, and I kind of tailor my element to match what that video is about. So go through your analytics and choose and see which element works for you. So I can definitely see that my specific video and my playlists are getting the highest clicks. So definitely keep an eye on your analytics to see which ones work for you. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to catch you in the next video.